How to get 55% off United Airlines coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in United Airlines coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for United Airlines. Once you're on the website, scroll down and check out the offers. $300 off, $150 off, $75 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on Redeem at United Airlines. Make sure you have copied the code. Once you're on the website of United Airlines, log into your account, book your flight and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your flight. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as these websites will also provide you working coupon code for United Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 55% off working coupon code for United Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.